All right, here we are looking at exercise 5b, expressing one quantity as a percentage of another. We see here in the notes, to find a quantity as a percentage, we write the first as a fraction of the second and multiply by 100. Let's look at what that means. Here we see an example. Mike ran 10 kilometers out of 50 kilometers. If we express that as a percentage, we see that Mike, he ran 10 kilometers out of 50. Okay, that's the fraction. If we express that to a percentage, we basically take this and we multiply it by 100. Okay, and this answer will be 20%. If you use your calculator, you will see that this is 20%. So he ran 20% of the race. He ran 20% of the 50 kilometers. Let's look again at the second example. Randy spent 5 months of the last 2 years overseas. Okay, so we see, here's the guy. He spent 5 months of 2 years overseas. Now we have a challenge here because we have two different units. We have our months. Here we have years. Okay? We cannot, we have to turn them into the same unit. And obviously it would probably be easier to change years to months rather than 5 months to years, since 5 months is not even 1 year. So we can say, well, we know that 2 years is equivalent to 24 months because there's 12 months in a year. So this can be now written as 5 months over 24 months. And as a percentage, we would simply take that and we multiply it by 100, and that would be our answer, which is 0.20 or 0.28 or 0.21 if we round off. Okay, so that would be 21%. Let's have a look at the next page and let's see these examples. So I want you to pause this video and try and solve number A and number C and number 2. Okay, you should have for A, 1A, you should have 17 out of 20. Express that as a percentage. This is what your answer should have looked like. 17 out of 20 times 100. Okay, you should have had 85% for A. For B, you should have had 13%. Okay, A and B. Because it's 8 over 60 times 100. For number 2, of 40 passengers, 12 are from South Africa. What percentage are South African? That should have been written as 12 over 40 times 100, and you would have your answer. Okay, which is 30%. Your key terms are quantity and percentage, and the formula is write the first quantity as a fraction of the second and multiply it by 100. Okay? Please take notes, careful notes with your tutorial video notes, and know that you can use those for your summatives and formatives.